Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Employment News for BE Tech Mechanical Engineers 31st May 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. Every Monday, we will upload new employment opportunities for mechanical engineers, and in this week, this video, we are included 5 government jobs, 6 private jobs and 1 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers only, so please watch the video fully. In this first, government jobs. In government job, first one is Short Service Commission Technical Officers at Indian Army. Indian Army is one of the largest standing armies and the largest standing volunteer army in the world with 12,37,000 active troops and 8 lakh reserve troops. The force is headed by the Chief of Army Staff of the Indian Army. Indian Army has invited application from eligible unmarried male and unmarried female candidates for admission in 57th Short Service Commission Technical and 28th Short Service Commission Technical Women course commencing in October 2021 at Officers Training Academy, Chennai for Short Service Commission in the Indian Army. Final year students 2021 batch also eligible to apply. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Qualification is BE, BTech, Mechanical Engineering or other branches with minimum 60% of marks. Pay allowance are 56,100 to 1,77,500 at level 10 plus MSP 15,500 plus other allowances. Age limit is 20 to 27. Selected candidates will be detailed for a 49-week training at Officers Academy, Chennai, and after successful completion of training, they will be granted Short Service Commission in the Army at the rank of Lieutenant. Selection procedure. Shortlisting of candidates. Shortlisting of application will be based on preference of marks obtained by the candidate in the qualifying degree. Shortlisted candidates will be intimated through mail and SMS. Selection center procedure. Eligible candidates will be interviewed at one of the selection centers at Allahabad, Bhopal, Bangalore and Kapurthala by psychologist, group testing officer and interviewing officer. Candidate will be put through 2-stage selection procedure. Those who clear stage 1 will go to stage 2. Medical. SSB recommended candidates are required to undergo medical examination as applicable to their entry. Selected candidates will be posted as sub-lieutenant. Final year students 2021 batch also eligible to apply and they should be able to submit proof of passing engineering degree examination along with mark sheet of all semesters or years by 1st October 2021. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification on the website as shown on screen and can apply online through the website as shown on screen on or before 23rd June 2021 before 3 p.m. If you want to know more about this opportunity, you can watch our new channel Engineering Jobs for You. I will provide that video link in my description also. In that channel Engineering Jobs for You, every day 10 a.m. we will upload government jobs for engineers and every day 5 p.m. we will upload private jobs for engineers. Next is Graduate Engineering Trainee at Mahanagar Gas Limited, MGL. MGL is an Indian natural gas distribution company incorporated in 8 May 1995. MGL is a joint venture between GAIL India Limited, BGAPH and the Government of Maharashtra. MGL vision envisages provide the convenience of PNG and CNG in the city of Greater Mumbai and adjoining areas of Maharashtra and replace pollutant fuel with clean and environmental friendly natural gas. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Pay and allowances are not disclosed. Job location will be in Mumbai. Qualification is BE, BTech in Mechanical Engineering with 60% of mark and gauge score for 2020 and or 2021. Candidates who have completed their bachelor degree in engineering in the year of 2020 or candidates who are currently in the year of 2021 of their engineering degree course are eligible to apply for the post of graduate engineering trainee. Application fee is nil. Selection procedure. Based on GATE 2020 and 2021 score and requirement, candidates will be shortlisted for group discussion and personal interview for the position of graduate engineering trainee in the above disciplines. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and link in my description also. Next is Material Officer at National Fertilizers Limited (NFL). National Fertilizers Limited is a Miniratna Category 1 company, is an Indian state-owned corporation that manufactures chemical fertilizers, organic fertilizers and industrial chemicals. As on 2018, it was the second largest producer of fertilizers in India. Coming under the administrative control of Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, it is the second largest producer of the key fertilizer urea in India. NFL has 5 gas-based ammonia urea plants at Nangal and Batinda in Punjab, Panipat in Haryana and 2 at Vijaypur, Madhya Pradesh. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Pay and allowances are 40,000 to 1,40,000 plus other allowances. Qualifications: degree in engineering. Experience required is 1 year experience. Number of posts are 10. Age limit is maximum 30 years. Application fees for general candidates, application fee is 1,000 for senior manager F&A and post and 700 for other candidates, and no fee for SC, ST, SM, PWBD and departmental candidates. How to apply? Detailed application form is available at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates have to fill the prescribed application form and accompanied with relevant documents and should send to Chief Manager HR NFL UP on or before 25/6/2021. Next is some last day to jobs already informed in previous videos. Technical Officer C at Group A at Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research IGCER's last date is 3rd June 2021. Engineering Executive Trainee at National Thermal Power Corporation NTPC's last date is 10th June 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description also. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is Logistics Support Analysis LSA Engineer at Alstom. Alstom SA is a French multinational rolling stock manufacturer operating worldwide in rail transport markets, active in the field of passenger transportation, signaling and locomotives with products including the AGV, TGV, Eurostar, Avilia and New Pandolina high-speed trains, in addition to suburban, regional and metro trains and Citadel trains. It is one of the world's largest manufacturer of high-speed trains, tramways and metros, electrical and diesel trains, information systems, traction system, power supply system and track work. Alstom Transport operates in 70 countries and employs 26,000 people. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 2-year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Responsibility and accountabilities: identify the performance allocation in compliance with DFS effect, define maintenance plan and design of LSA element, define spare part allocation for first professional, validation of support solution and association maintenance document of training toolkit, capitalize data in central ILS repository, etc. Role is Logistics Support Analysis Engineer. Function areas rail and trains. Employment type is full-time permanent. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through their website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and link in my description also. And if you want to know more about this opportunity, you can watch our new channel Engineering Jobs for You. I will provide that video link in my description also. Next is Quality Engineer 1 at Medtronic, Hyderabad. Medtronic PLC is an American Irish registered medical device company that primarily operates in the US. Medtronic began its operation in India in the year of 1979 with over 1,100 employees. India Medtronic Private Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Medtronic PLC. India Medtronic has 2 research and development centers in Bangalore and Hyderabad. Medtronic operates in 140 countries and employs over 1,04,950 people. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0-year experience. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Roles and responsibilities: develops, modifies, applies and maintains quality standards and protocol for processing materials into partially finished or finished material product. Collaborates with engineering and manufacturing functions to ensure quality standards are in place. Devises and implements methods and procedures for inspecting, testing and evaluating the precision and accuracy of products and production equipment, etc. Role is quality engineer 1. Industry type is medicine industry. Employment type is full-time permanent. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Sales Engineer 2 at Asian Paints, Coimbatore. Asian Paints Limited is an Indian multinational paint company headquartered in Mumbai. The company is engaged in the business of manufacturing, selling and distribution of paints, coating products related to home decor, bath fitting and providing of related services. Asian Paints is India's largest and Asia's third largest paint corporation. Asian Paint is the holding company of Berger International. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 3 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Job description: the position is that of frontline sales personnel who would primarily be responsible for growth and penetration of waterproofing products in project sale segment in defined geography through lead conversation and product training to various stakeholders like applicators, contractors and thereby achieving overall business objective. Business objectives: identify, index and review market potential for waterproofing products in project sales, generate leads through direct project site visits and various stakeholders like project sales officers, applicators and dealers, etc. Role is sales executive or office. Industry type is paint. Function area is production manufacturing. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Testing Engineer at Asteria Aerospace. Asteria Aerospace is a robotic and artificial intelligence company that develops drone-based solution to provide actionable intelligence from aerial data. Our capabilities and intellectual property across the entire drone technology stack of hardware, software and analytics enable us to build deeply customized aerial remote sensing tools. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Job ID is 246427. Job description: as an integration and testing engineer or pilot, you will lead the efforts of field testing of Asteria's unmanned aerial system products and will provide all system support. Your role and responsibility will be integrating testing and validation of all R&D new product development. Your other role will be to develop flight test plans, prepare remotely controlled aircraft for flight, conduct flight test for the aircraft as the test pilot and support other field testing effort as required. Role is testing engineer. Function area is aerospace. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through their website as shown on screen. Next is Sales Engineer at Apex Precision Mechatronics Private Limited. Established in 1985, Apex Precision Private Limited along with the sister concern MCAS Private Limited is a pioneer in the field of linear motion technologies for manufacturing industry. We have pan-India presence for sales, distribution of motion control components for CNC machines and robots. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 4 year. Salary offered are 1,25,000 to 3,50,000 per annum. Job description: Apex Precision Mechatronics Private Limited is looking for young and dynamic sales engineer, Aurangabad. We have pan-India presence for sales, distribution of motion control components for CNC machines and robots. Roles and responsibility: identify business opportunities and target markets, establish new and maintaining existing relationship with clients, identify each potential customer needs, managing and interpreting customer requirements, etc. Role is sales engineer. Industry type is industrial equipment, machinery. Function area sales, retail. Employment is full-time permanent. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is graduate engineer at Stovecraft Private Limited. Stovecraft is an Indian company that manufactures cooking appliances under Pigeon and Glimba brands. The company was founded in 1999 and is headquartered in Bangalore. It sells its products in 23 states in India and 12 countries overseas. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year experience. Salary offered are 1,50,000 to 1,75,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: understanding project requirements and completing all detailed duties assigned by the supervisor, shadowing sensing staff members, asking questions and assisting wherever possible, raising concerns and making suggestions for improvement where appropriate, conducting research and traveling to sites, observing health and safety regulations at all times, etc. Role is graduate engineering training. Industry type is customer, electronics and application. Function area is production manufacturing. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is graduate apprentice trainee at National Mineral Development Corporation (NMDC). National Mineral Development Corporation is a government-owned mineral producer. It is under the ownership of Ministry of Steel, Government of India. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Number of vacancies are 16. Qualification is mechanical engineering pass out after 2018. Stipend offered are 20,000 per month. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested eligible candidates must register themselves in the NATS portal of MHRD. After enrolling to NATS portal, students candidates should submit email to the mail ID as shown on screen with their resume affixed with a recent passport size photograph on the right corner, registration number in apprenticeship portal, address for communication, email ID, mobile number along with proof for date of birth, address, qualification and caste certificate, etc. in photocopy or scanned copy for verification. The marks obtained in degree or diploma or ITI all semesters must be mentioned clearly. Email or post should reach on or before 15th June 2021. That's all for this week's employment opportunity video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.